Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to rephrase customer reviews using AI. So let's get started with the video. In this video, we are going to use ChatGPT as an AI. So basically, the prompt that I have created here, you can use this. We can just write the review over here. You can mention your review here and write the prompt as refresh this customer review to sound more engaging and professional. You can mention is according to you need, if you need it in a formal way, informal way. And I have written for which website I wanted, that is marketing website. You can mention your criteria over here, and also words you can write according to your needs. Post that, you can give this prompt to ChatGPT, and as you can see here, it has created and rephrased the customer review over here. So this is how you can do that. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.